In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix the issue of WhatsApp not sending photos or videos on iPhone or Android. First, completely close the WhatsApp app if it's open. Then swipe down from the top of its screen to open the control center and toggle airplane mode on. Wait a few seconds and turn it back off to refresh your internet connection. Once you are reconnected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, reopen WhatsApp and try sending a photo or video again. If that does not work, go to your phone setting, tap on General and check VPN and device management to make sure you are not connected to a VPN. Also make sure date and time settings are set to automatic because incorrect time settings can prevent media from sending. If the problem continues, go to General, then iPhone Storage, find WhatsApp and upload it, then again reinstall it. This removes temporary files and forces the app to update. Finally, if photos and videos still won't send, what you can do is completely delete WhatsApp from your device, likewise give a fresh restart to your device and install it. And that's it. With this solution, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.